Hi guys, and welcome back to channel. So I've got the super exciting new release from WPL here today. We've got the C44 as a ready to run, and it's previously only been available as a KM kit, metal kit, for the more advanced, or yeah, maybe not advanced, but the more experienced hobby enthusiast or RC enthusiast. So this is a great addition to the WPL lineup, in my opinion. Got some new cool features on this as well. We'll have a closer look at those in a minute. And yeah, as always with WPL, really affordable and great quality, in my opinion. So I'm going to take this out of the box and we'll have a closer look. So here we go. I've added the driver, it's not included. And spoiler alert, I've already driven this pack and I had a lot of fun with it. So of course we got the beautiful Toyota body, lots of scale details. One of the new features on this, which is really sweet, we got the magnetic locks on the door, both sides. Really nice addition. Got the included lithium-ion 2S battery, 500 milliamp, tucks away real nicely in there. It's really neat, just under the hood, and yeah, no mess at all. Looks really neat. And this is my all-time favorite WPL, or the KM kit. So I was actually really excited when I heard about this release, and yeah, it did not disappoint. As I said, I've driven this a pack and I had a lot of fun. It's a beautiful scale model. Since this is the ready to run model, it's a bit lighter weight, especially in the axles, because you got the plastic axles and no wheel weights. So if you want to do some more intricate crawling with it, you might want to consider metal axles and some wheel weights in this. Metal drive shafts maybe. But if you're going to use this as a trail truck, it's fine as it is. So first off, new tires, medium hard, medium, something like that, and actually foams inside of here included, which is really nice. So new tires, also got new geometry and new chassis rails, which is really nice. Got some decent flex to it. And as I've already mentioned, we got the magnetic doors. So I'm going to put this down on the bench and we're going to have a closer look at this. And yeah, so I'm just going to dive straight into this. We got the counter rotating gearbox to avoid that torque twist. Also got a 370 sized brush motor, which is really nice. Got really smooth modulation on this, actually. I'll show you right here. Yes. And yeah, it's just a really smooth experience. I really enjoyed it. We got a 25-gram plastic geared servo, not chassis mounted, so it's up in here, as you can see. Got the metal links as in the kit, and you can have a closer look here at the revised frame rail. So a little bit different. And since we've got the single speed, not the 2-speed that's included in the kit, it's a lot smoother and more flat underneath, so it won't get hung up on obstacles as easy. And as I said, we got the medium tires and got some decent grip, and got the classic WPL transmitter. Got the brake on-off switch here, so when activated we got a complete drag brake. Really good drag brake, and even when this is turned off we got some drag brake to it, so it's really nice. And we got a little adjustment for the steering, and this is a really solid transmitter in my opinion. Some people think it's a bit toyish, but I really like it. It feels really good in the hand and it's super easy to drive one-handed. And as usual with WPL, you have to fit all the trimmings, mirrors, wipers and stuff by yourself. Got a extra blinker light included because these snap off really easy. Got some stickers. I've only fitted the rear lights to mine, but you can add some license plates and some other little scale details and stuff. Got the USB charger, a little screwdriver as well, some extra ends for the links, and a little piece for a plastic drive shaft. So yeah, some decent flex to it, as you can see. So the lack of extra weight on the wheels and axles did make me roll over a few times. So that's something that I will do something about, probably. So I've already driven this. I've got some run footage for you guys, and I really enjoyed it. But I'm a WPL fanboy, so no shark there maybe. I'm going to do some more videos with this soon, but for now I hope you enjoyed the quick little walkthrough and the first look at this little truck, and I hope you will enjoy the run footage as well. And as usual, you'll find some links down below if you want to read more about this, more about the technical stuff, and yeah, some close-up pictures and stuff. So check out the links below, and make sure to watch the run footage because it's a cool little truck, and I hope you enjoyed it.